A new law soon to take effect in Indiana will eliminate the need for permits on most Hoosiers gun owners. It takes effect next Friday.
Yeah, and prosecutors say it will throw hundreds of criminal cases in central Indiana into question now. Fox 59's Jesse Wells shows us how those prosecutors are sorting through these new rules.
Here in Marion County, the impact is significant. Right now, the Marion County prosecutor says there are 1,300 pending cases at the Justice Center of carrying a handgun without a license. That's a charge that, as of late next week, will not be illegal. Seizing handguns, like this one, which are being carried illegally without a license, has been a daily occurrence in Indianapolis for years. Starting July 1st, Indiana law will no longer require Hoosiers to secure a permit to carry a handgun. But in Marion County, anyone charged with the crime before July 1st will still be going to court.
We're going to continue to move forward with prosecutions of these offenses. Certainly, we think it's an important message to send to the community about the responsible gun ownership.
Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears admits he has been alerted that a number of defense attorneys plan to challenge the ability of those cases to move forward.
And so we certainly know that we're going to have to litigate this issue in the court, and we're going to do that until we get rid of all 1,300 of the cases that we currently have pending.
The issue, of course, isn't unique to Marion County. From the moment permitless carry passed the Indiana State House, the Boone County prosecutor began to resolve his office's cases with a diversion agreement if carrying without a license was the only charge filed.
Basically, we've been making them, it's where you pay a fine, and then you have to usually do an online class. And then as soon as you get those two things completed, the case is dismissed.
By next Friday, Prosecutor Kent Eastwood expects his office will have less than 10 cases where carrying without a license was filed as a standalone charge. And like Marion County, Boone County will still prosecute illegal carry cases, which included other, more serious criminal charges.
We're prosecuting them as is because at the time that they committed the offense, it was illegal. But they've also committed other crimes with it.
Finally, the prosecutor in Johnson County tells me they have 32 pending misdemeanor cases of carrying a handgun without a license, but they also added that dismissing that charge would not result in the dismissal of many of those cases. Jesse Wells, Fox 59 News.
Jesse, thank you. Meantime, in Washington.